Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन।
गौरी नंदन हे जगवंदन।
गौरी नंदन हे जगवंदन।
गौरी नंदन हे जगवंदन। पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन
गौरीनन्दन हे जगवन्दन
गौरीनन्दन हे जगवन्दन
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा
पाशाङ्कुशधर विघ्न विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
बुद्धिप्रदायक पाप विनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक पाहि गजानन
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
वीणवादिनी कलावती वीणवादिनी कलावती हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेवसति भारती
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मङ्गलमञ्जुलवाग्विलासिनी
वीणवादिनी कलावती
वादिनी कलावती
हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी
हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
You are my love, my Lord, dear sire. You are my hope, forever my sire. You are my love, my Lord, dear sire. You are my hope, forever my sire. In you I sing a love so sweet. From you I feel a love so deep. A love so sweet. From you I feel a love so deep. Lord, you are my life. Oh Lord, you are my life. Lord, you are my life. Oh Lord, you are my life. Strongly can I say, I need you more than words can say. Strongly can I say, I love you more each day. Strongly can I say, I need you more than words can say. Strongly can I say, I love you more each day. Each day as the sun rises, each day when you hear my cry, each day when I call you Lord, you listen to my prayer. Each day as the sun rises, each day when you hear my cry, each day when I call you Lord, you listen to my prayer. Each day as the sun rises, each day when you hear my cry, each day when I call you Lord, listen to my prayer. Each day as the sun rises, each day when you hear my cry, each day when I call you Lord, listen to my prayer. So why can I say, I need you more than words can say. Swami, can I say, I love you more each day. Swami, can I say, I need you more than words can say. Swami, can I say, I love you more each day. Swami, can I say, I need you more than words can say. Swami, can I say, I love you more each day. Swami, can I say, I need you more than words can say. Swami, can I say, I love love you more each day. Something can I say? I need you more than words can say. Something can I say? I love you more each day. You are my love, my Lord, dear son.
सीतारामा श्री रघुरामा सीतारामा श्री रघुरामा दशरथे हे जय रामा दशरथे हे जय रामा आत्मा रामा अगणित गुण रामा आत्मा रामा अगणित गुण रामा पवन नामा परंधामा पवन नामा परंधामा सीतारामा श्री रघुरामा दशरथे हे जय रामा आत्मा रामा अगणित गुण धामा पवन नामा परंधामा पवन नामा परंधामा सीतारामा श्री रघुरामा
शिवा तांडव केली विलास शिवा तांडव केली विलास शिवा लीला मानुष वेश शिवा लीला मानुष वेश शिवा लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा शिवा हर बाल शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा शिवा हर बाल शिवा आदि नारायण साई नारायण आदि नारायण साई नारायण जय हरि नारायण जय जय हरि नारायण जय जय पंडरी वासा हरि नारायण हरि वासा हरि नारायण पति वासा साई नारायण वासा साई नारायण वरद नारायण वेद नारायण नारायण वेद नारायण तच्छय्योरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे वरद नारायण वेद नारायण नारायण वेद नारायण जय हरि नारायण जय जय हरि नारायण जय 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 साई नारायण जय जय नारायण जय 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 साई राम 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 जय जय राम जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम आपद बांधव साई राम आपद बांधव साई राम प्रेम स्वरूपा साई राम प्रेम स्वरूपा साई राम प्रेमावतारा साई राम प्रेमावतारा साई राम परिपूर्णावतारा साई राम परिपूर्णावतारा साई राम साई साई स्मरण करो साई साई स्मरण करो गुरु चरण कमल ध्यान धरो गुरु चरण कमल ध्यान करो केशव माधव भजन करो केशव माधव भजन करो सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो श्री सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो सद्गुरु साई सेवा करो सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा सत्य साई देवा सत्य साई देवा अल्लाह यीशु बुद्धर नानक अल्लाह यीशु बुद्धर नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो साई विश्वरूप तुम हो Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. No reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death. Reason for love, no season for love, no birth, no death. Satya dharma ananda, shanti prema ananda. Satya dharma ananda, shanti prema ananda. Shirdi Sai Patti Sai Prem Sai Jai Jai. Shirdi Sai Patti food. Love is my form, truth is my bread, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my bread, bliss is my food. साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा. साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा. साई राम हमारा, साई राम हमारा, साई राम हमारा, साई राम हमारा. सत्य साई है नाम तुम्हारा, शिरडी साई अवतारा. सत्य साई है नाम तुम्हारा, शिरडी साई अवतारा. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा. साई राम हमारा, 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 साई राम हमारा. हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं. हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं. प्रेम भक्ति बिना उद्धार नहीं, प्रेम भक्ति बिना उद्धार नहीं. गुरु सेवा बिना निवान नहीं, गुरु सेवा बिना निवान नहीं. जप ज्ञान बिना संयोग नहीं, जप ज्ञान बिना संयोग नहीं. प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं. दय धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं, दय धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं. भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं. हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं. हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं. हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं. हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं. हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं.
हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, सुख शांति नहीं, सुख शांति नहीं.
Sai Ram Prem and Sai Ram to all our viewers. I'm reminded of a story that had a very deep impact on me, and even to this day it keeps inspiring me. It is a story of a man, a devotee of God, who had a very interesting dream one night. Now in his dream, God comes to him and asks him, "Can you do a favor for me?" And being a devotee of God, he says, "Definitely God, whatever makes you happy will be a command for me. So you just have to state it. I will do anything for you." And God says, "Tomorrow morning when you wake up, outside your door there will be one rock. It will be a fairly large sized rock. I want you to push it for me. Can you do that for me?" And this man says, "Of course, I will push the rock for you." God says, that will be it. That's all. That much you can do for me, I'll be very happy." And the next morning when the man wakes up, he recollects his dream and he is so thrilled that finally he has got an opportunity to do something for God. That is every devotee's desire, right? To be able to do something for God. And here God himself has asked him to do something. So he rushes out of his bed to the main door, opens it, and sure enough, there is that big rock that God had referred to in the dream. Right away this man gets to the task, he starts pushing at the rock. He pushes and pushes and pushes, but realizes that how much ever he is pushing the rock, it's not moving one bit. This goes on, but he is not a man to give up easily. Swami says that devotee's lakshana, or the quality of a devotee, is such that having determined something, He will never let go of determination. Either he will collapse from the effort or he will achieve his determination. That is the determination of a devotee. So with that determination, he continues. Morning, evening, till he goes to bed at night. Next day morning gets up, again continues. And this goes on for several days. Days turn to weeks, weeks turn to months. But yet, that rock has not moved 1 inch. Finally, this man is on the verge of giving up. And when he's about to give up, he gets another dream that night where God comes again. And this time, it is the man who is doing the talking. He says, God, this is very unfair. God says, what is unfair? He says, you told me to push that rock, but it's of no use pushing the rock. God says, why do you say so? He says, because God, it has not even moved 1 inch. God then says, but I never wanted to move it. And in the dream, he sees God just moving the rock and saying that, see, if I wanted to move it, I can move it. I didn't want you to move it. Then, I wanted you to push it. What is the use of that, God? God says, there is a lot of use. You think that the rock has not moved 1 inch, but that was not the purpose at all. Just have a look at your biceps. And the man looks at his biceps and they're strong. Look at your triceps. Look at your calf muscles. Look at your stomach, how it has gone in. You have become so fit. The man is in a state of pleasant shock because this is a revelation for him. And God tells him that the purpose for which I told you to push the rock is not to move it. It is in order to build you. And my purpose has been achieved. What I like in this story is 2 things. The first thing is, like the man in the story, all of us think that we know the purpose behind different things that we are doing. Not only what we are doing for God, whatever we are doing in life, we think that we know the purpose behind it, when we don't. And the second interesting point is, like God in that story, God in our life too tells us to do many things which we think is something that will benefit God. But that's not the case. Whatever God tells us to do is for our own benefit. So point number 1 is that, like the man in the story, we think we know the purpose behind what we do when we don't. Point number 2, like God in the story, God gives us different things to do for our benefit and not for God. And I feel these 2 thoughts are very, very important at this point of time in the year.
Absolutely. We are set to celebrate Swami's birthday, and it's of course a very important birthday. It's the 95th birthday. But if you really look at it, as you were saying, Swami allowed us to celebrate his birthday. Swami allowed us to observe his birthday, and I think every birthday discourse, if you were to go and look at it, Swami will say that I am birthless. I was never born. I was always present, right? Because that is the description of God. The God is birthless and it's beyond time. But that being the case, he still allowed us to celebrate his birthday. It does not mean that he wanted his birthday to be celebrated. There was a purpose behind it. But really looking at it, as you were saying, the other larger idea behind the story is, it's so important to understand the purpose of some things for us to be able to apply ourselves completely to that task, right?
Yeah, we may feel that we are not able to travel to Prasanthi Nilayam, we are not able to travel to our center. No problem, because I think this whole situation has been created so that we internalize Swami, as you rightly put it. On the 24th of April 2011, it was such a sad, sorrowful thing, but it had such a profound message. So too now, we feel that we have been cut off, we are not even able to celebrate Swami's birthday. But like the man who was pushing the rock, I think we are not able to understand the purpose behind each of these. And the closest we can come to understanding is probably that Swami wants us to internalize him. Today, I think that message is even more poignant, because this is a time when we think that Swami is physically not here. How do I do? I listen to all these stories, it's so magnificent, but how do I get this because Swami is not physically here? Yad bhavam tad bhavati, Swami would say. And that is what it is. I think if we can internalize Swami and make him part of our whole day, let us rise, and even if we don't know Suprabhatam, let us get up along with Bhagwan. Let us picture Swami waking up along with us. Let us wake up along with him. As we brush our teeth And as we have our bath, let us think that we are doing Abhishekam to Deho Devalaya Prokto, Swami would say. The body is the temple of God. And even as we have breakfast, let us feed Swami. I think making Swami a part of our whole day, that would be the best way to internalize him, feel his presence. And I am convinced, Prem, from personal experience and from the experience of so many others whom we have heard here, that once we internalize him, we will see him, we will have his darshan every day, wherever we are, in whichever corner of the earth. And I think that would be a wonderful birthday gift to give him, because as we started off in the beginning, whatever Swami tells us that he seeks as a birthday gift is for our own benefit.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrachaka Bhakta Jana Samrachaka Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shiva Jana Shri Kara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpanatika Ashrita Kalpanatika Apagana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Daivam Mariyam Tayunive Swami Mariyam Tayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Kavya Jayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangalarati Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।